make sure we got the Spotify's working. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hey there. I knew it wouldn't pick up
What?
the Spotify.
Hmm.
I have to like change it to the right one. For some reason, there's two Spotify's. Turn that down. Turn this down slightly. There we go. And then I need to share this to Discord. I'm gonna make your screen disappear for a second. Add everyone. Stream time.
I'm allergic to the stream.
Yeah. I'm gonna open this first. Then this one. Then this one. We should be good now. And then onde está mi telefone? Ugh.
Every time we go live, it's a blood sacrifice. I swear.
What, did someone leave?
Yeah, every time.
That's funny.
So funny.
Fine. How the stream. That's how we know it's gonna be a big stream. Someone leaves immediately.
I don't even care. I think it's funny, actually. We got 3 yesterday. It was good. We're just filtering them out. That's all.
Is the commie cam working?
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, we're good.
Alright. What do I want to do today? Second. I'm back.
Yo.
Yeah. Cat got locked in the room and starts yelling. Oh my goodness. Is the world going to explode? How many days are we in right now?
I think 9.
Dang.
Yeah. I'm using the move ID to basically draw out my predetermined move set. Using a getter.
I guess I'll fix the no orphan rooms. I think it's time to do that. Okay, let's turn off fog 4. Testing. Dude, the game feels so much different without the fog of war. It's crazy.
I wish you could, like, it'd be sick if you could control opacity. And then, like, when they get closer, I don't think there's a way to do it, but without using, like, a library.
Opacity, what do you mean?
Like, when they get closer, like, to the door, it, like, brightens up slightly. Like, the room. So then, like, when you, like, walk to the next room, it, like, or when you're, like, right next to the door, you could see, like, the first 2 lines or something. But there's no way to, like, do opacity. The way that I'm thinking, at least. I was looking into how to do font sizes without incurses yesterday, like change like the terminal font size.
Yeah, good luck.
Not possible. What you can do is you can write like a compression algorithm that takes each font and or each, like, you can make an ASCII art and then compress it down and then that's how you could control the size, but that would take weeks.
Hmm.
I know the I was reading up the compression algorithm yesterday.
Okay. Will probably overall decrease the amount of rooms that are generated, but it's a sacrifice I'm willing to make. Well, no, it's so small, it doesn't matter. Basically, I'm gonna check for like a room in a plus pattern every time.
Oh,
Before spawning a room.
I feel like I'm having to dynamically set an array. I guess that's how you have to do it on C, is like dynamically. Because you can't. Like it's not. There's no object. It's tough.
Yeah.
The only other way I think I could do it is I like hand paste everything, and I don't want to hand paste a bunch of moves a bunch of times. That would just be super unreadable. I think when we're doing voiceovers, I have to throw a blanket over my head and the mic.
Why?
Because my mic's so close to the wall that I think that's what's bouncing off and making a weird little echo.
I think this fixes the problem already. It's one line.
Oh.
I think that fixes it. So far, so good. Yeah, a big decrease in the room though, especially if it's an L pattern. Oh. Huh. Okay. So it didn't fix it. It just made spawning rooms a lot less common. Make this like let's make it 50. A little too much. This actually makes the floors a lot more interesting.
Oh yeah, it is actually.
How? How is that possible?
I do not know.
One second.
You're good. Hmm. Hello. My name is JB. Kami is not here right now. It's good to see you. I'm making a Pokemon type game in C, and Kami is making a rogue 1980s esque game. I'm the little screen. How are you doing today? I'm very confused. Think about this for a second. Okay. Move. We pass through this. Yeah. And then dot ID equal um we need to pass through hmm. There's so many things I'm gonna need to add to my header file. I need to remember. We can't see your screen, sir. My screen? Let me see. Let me go to OBS. This is my screen. We'll make it bigger until Tommy gets back. I believe he is eating dinner. How are you doing today, Mubasher Dekoko? I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm sorry if I said it wrong. Gonna be move ID, and then down here we're going to yeah. Well, we have two different cameras. So normally I'm doing good. How are you? But normally I have Kami's camera up because his stuff's more interesting than mine. Right now, I'm kind of just building a text adventure. Oh, cool. I'm glad I pronounced it right. But yeah, Kami typically has some more interesting stuff going on. So how come you were able to pronounce it well? To be fair, I read it like 12 times. But I'm glad I pronounced it right. Because okay, and then at the end of the for loop. Oh, I don't have a thing for a for loop. I'm a dummy. Let's nest this. Nope. Okay. Oh, we're doing that. But yeah, so basically, Kami's making a game in Rogue, or like Rogue from the 1980s. and I am making a Pokemon type game in C. Both are terminal projects, so nothing crazy. How long have we been coding in C, C++? Um, I think like C, it's been like really, I started learning it like 3 weeks ago. Like really, really delving into it. I read the C programming language by Dennis Ritchie, and then from there, I am newbie. I am into C++. C++ is cool. It's something I want to get into next. I think after like seeing a lot of different people kind of come in and talk to us about C++, it's been interesting. I think it's a really cool language. The only thing I hear that could be kind of hard about it is compile times and stuff like that. But for like bigger projects.
Below stream.
Oh, let me put Kami back on.
How are we doing? Who's here?
Good. We have Mubasher Dekoko.
And Noah Linder. Kami, is that your name? It's my name.
Hold on. Let me put the Kami cam back on. He's doing cooler stuff. I'm staring at a screen.
You don't have to put yourself down to introduce my game. Into C++. Nice. Good language. Good stuff. Good stuff. We'll get there eventually.
Yeah, I was telling him like I'm like 3 weeks into C. You got a little bit more, but basically relatively both new to C.
Yeah, we're learning all the programming languages in chronological order. That was a joke, but
that would be a good video.
Not learning Pascal. Not doing that.
We have to learn assembly. Binary.
Yeah, we gotta do the punch cards first.
Yeah.
We made a game using punch cards. Yeah, that's my name. What's up? Not much. Okay.
I've been in
The
like
orphan rooms are mostly taken care of.
Deep thought about the. I have to like rework the whole move system, which sucks, but
No, I should make a button that ups my floor for debug purposes. Subscribe to your YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello, Angus.
hello.
How has your day been?
And thank you for subscribing. I know Kami said it, but thank you. Appreciate it. Very much.
One sub closer to 10 billion. Was it dying? Yes.
What type of game is this? Kami is making a Rogue 1980 terminal game like kind of inspired game, and I am making a Pokemon style text adventure, both in C and the terminal, doing like terminal UI stuff. Nothing crazy because I only have like 3 weeks of experience in C, and Kami has maybe like a couple extra weeks on me with
Yeah.
C. So we're very new to the language, and we're more used to. We did a lot of like Python, GD script stuff like that before, so it's just different kind of having to learn how to not be able to use objects program. It's weird, but it's cool.
I'm really enjoying it.
Yeah.
The floor. Here, I'll show you what I'm up to in a second. Game. Okay. Game programmed in C. Yeah. Objects are very nice. I agree. But pointers are funner
Um.
sometimes. I like pointers.
Yeah, I think they have like they have the pros and cons like objects. I think it's easier to track a pointer than an object, like where it's going.
Yeah.
I think objects are just nice to be able to pack all the data into and then send wherever.
Sick.
But yeah, it's just we're trying to do stuff that gets us out of our comfort zone a lot to be like better programmers. We're not like we just want to be out of our comfort zone, I think, constantly.
That's lovely. Just thank you. Hold up. I wanna show you something. That's cool. It makes the game feel better. Where is that? Screen. Let's see. I have a fog of war system. It's pretty cool. In my unbiased opinion.
Not biased.
Not biased. Yeah, there we go. Makes it feel like more like a game, but that was for debugging purposes. Oh, maybe I can make a debug mode.
I spent 3 months on C++ before I was able to do a casino game system.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, casino game system's cool. Don't downplay that. That's really cool.
What do you mean by a casino game system? Like is terminal, GUI? What are we talking about? Through my same message. Yeah, I'm still having the orphan rooms. This debug, increased floor is cool.
Yeah.
You get to see my machine in action. Huh.
We do have like I want to like do the caveat. We do have like experience in making games like before this, so it's like we have like that learning curve for us. It's not like we just like we're fresh programmers.
Yeah, we've been dabbling for like what, 3 years?
Yeah.
You longer. Me less so.
Just not if from at this type of programming. We're more on the Godot. We've done Godot, Unity, like those type of engines. But like that's the learning curve with this stuff. Is we're using they're from scratch. So we're not doing anything too crazy.
Make a bed. There's something wrong with this line. Maybe because it's going out of bounds, makes it true automatically.
That might be true. Let me know if there's anything wrong with the audio. I did do a bunch of stuff to work on it today, so hopefully the audio is a little bit better. I really like streaming on YouTube.
I know it's too simple.
I really like streaming on YouTube. People are so much nicer. It's so much more chill. Okay, everything is breaking, but that's fine, as expected.
The answer is probably something like this.
Yeah, terminal. I just haven't learned Qt yet. I don't know, like a terminal shell. Like, yeah, that's still cool.
Terminal's fun, man. That's what we're doing right now. I'm having a blast actually coding this game because it's so. I don't have to worry about like physics or nothing. It's just. Oh, before this, we coded a game in Godot, and we basically made our own like joint system with picking up objects, and it was a bit much.
Yeah, it was.
It was
not good,
especially for our first like official digital product where we both worked on it. Man, there was a couple sleepless nights with that one. To be sincere, I hate Python. It's a great language. I did Python for data analysis 2 years ago. Hate? Strong word. I mean, what do you call GDScript Python? Like, is that the same for you, or? No, they're similar.
I'd say GDScript is like kind of like C# and Python had like a fusion kind of. Takes the. Yeah, I'm excited to learn C++, to be honest. I think it's going to be fun.
Yeah, eventually. I don't know. Like, eventually I'd like to try out like Relib and stuff like that, but with C++, but is it worth it? I don't know. I mean, I really like Godot, but you know, we'll see where the road takes us. I heard GDScript on that previous live. So before I got into yours. Yeah, GDScript's it's fun. I like it. Right.
Okay,
Yeah.
I need to do something like new move equals gets move by ID. We need to pass through player active chudbud dot move IDs.
I think the thing that was happening was it would go out of bounds and just read random memory. That's what happens when you go out of bounds with C. It's kind of funny. That's like the garbage problem I was having yesterday. I was reading like whatever was there.
Aurora.
Should work. Let me make it less ugly though. Yeah. Well,
I like my system before. I wish I could have that, but it doesn't work if you want predefined moves. Unless I wanted every room to be every chudbud you fight to be random.
wait, no orphan rooms and 100 floors. So that's safe to say it's fixed.
That's what that one.
Map generation is completely done. Unless I wanted to add like the merchant idea.
That's sick. Brought a freak to put here. This is the one I wanted here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I need to remove the name down here.
What if I had like a spike trap or something? Just removes player health when you step on it. Be funny, so it makes you like not like run through the hallways.
That would be funny. Thank you guys for all hanging out today. Appreciate it.
Let's see if the Discord link works.
Probably not. I need to replace that.
It doesn't. Oh man. Kind of lazy to make a real to-do list, so I just commented out while I'm making the programs. I do that too a lot. Actually, I wrote this to-do list after I got a lot done. I just want to like keep track of the features that I have.
I do a lot of pseudocode in my to-do list, so then I can just look at it and reference it when I'm programming.
I need to design the enemies. Like, I'm kind of procrastinating on it. Like, How am I gonna make that fun?
You could have like different, like an array of different types that you run into, maybe like
All right.
like a tanker.
I'm talking about the actual combat though.
Oh. Let me think about it for a minute. Think if I can think of anything. Cool. Everyone has their preference. And just no, I have the worst preference probably. I type things like 4 times. I think I win.
Yeah, I just wing it sometimes. Then that usually leads to short-sighted decisions. So I try not to.
I need to do this backwards.
I'll make the win condition.
I need to do this backwards. I know what I need to do. Okay. New move. Going to equal its random move on level. Perfect. Okay. And then in the while loop is already picked ID, pick count, new move ID. Perfect. An add move. Where is my problem? It's got to be right here. We don't need to actually... Well, because we're setting it here. We don't need to set new move at all.
Oski 91.
Is it Aki 91 or?
Oh, it's on a small screen for me. It looks like an S. I'm blind.
Or Aki 91? Welcome to the stream, though. Thank you for watching.
What you guys have include from ones you created yourself, like having different files for each stuff. Include them as header file to make code shorter, but me, I just write them all in one. I definitely used to do that. But it's so hard to maintain.
There is, in the wise words of Adam Pie 96, if it works, it works. I'm getting that printed. Again, like having like organization is good, but you'll learn with time how to do things, I think. So like just keep making, like, unless it's like a big project you're doing, yeah, unless it's like something you're going to be maintaining for like a long time, it's probably fine. Or if it like makes sense to break it up. The cool thing about building things modularly, though, is you can grab pieces wherever. Like if you build Lego pieces, like to snap into place, you can grab those for other projects. That's the really cool part. So your code becomes like very useful. That is the one thing I'll say about being able to just break something out of your code base and it works somewhere else. But there is like a time and place, you know. Yeah, the time I'll get used to it is I was just calling random stuff to keep track. Okay. But yeah, the more important thing is like, I think especially for the first couple, while you're making your small projects, it's good to just learn how to like make something, and then kind of, yeah, and then kind of like learn how to like don't try to like maintain a project. I wouldn't suggest this for most people, like learning how to maintain a project in one project. Like, learn how to maintain one piece of a project in one project. And so then the next time you can add another piece that you're just trying to maintain and make clean and modular. And then from there you can keep going. And then once you do a big project, you know how to make everything pretty independent of each other, and then you can use those pieces in the next game or whatever. I think right here I need to grab the chudbud. We're gonna grab the lighter. Grab the move count. Okay. Place move. We need to delete that. We need to do this now. Grab it there. And then here we just do I+1, comma, move, our current move, dot, name. Yep, that works. what is your game about? Tommy is working on a roguelike or rogue-esque inspired game from 1980s, like in the Terminal. Except it's gonna have JRPG mechanics. I am working on a Pokemon roguelike with interesting Pokemon mechanics. Thank you, I appreciate it. How's your day going? Okay, and then offer moves. Make sure this is good. Picked IDs has to equal. No, it has to be here. Get random move on level. 3, ask if they want it. Add new move. Okay. Because all we have to do here is return that move. Cybersecurity is fun. Okay. Let's see. Let's break it all down. Yep, that's good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Slime might be something.
Make your own OS? Good luck. Good luck, man. It's awesome. No.
You're gonna have to, because everything's gonna be running off of AI soon. I'm defending, but still learning currently. And it's very beast language. I really like it. Yeah. I think that'll probably be like in my free time the next language I delve into. But yeah. I don't. I really like the way someone put it yesterday. I don't think simple program they make silly mistakes. Yeah, I think it's really just going to be a tool, um, for people who are really good at developing. Um, it won't be it if you're bad at developing, it won't be useful. Um, it'll only be useful if you know what you're doing, because then you can go and make meaningful decisions that actually matter. Um, where if you don't know what you're doing, you're letting the AI make the decision, and we all see where that goes. It will take more of Python and high level languages. Yeah, kind of, I think. I think anything that doesn't require much depth is where it'll shine. You know, I mean, you can make something with a lot of depth with Python. It's just, uh, it's all the same skill, I think, personally. Um, it's not necessarily the language per se, but the complexity that's allowed within the language that's going to be, um, what where it's going to struggle on its own. But again, with like a great developer, we've talked to a lot of great developers actually recently who have all been explaining to us the strengths of it, and they just use it as really fast boilerplate. They can fill in things that they wouldn't be able to write before. You guys stream like every week? We stream we try to stream as much as possible, so like no commitments, but we've been every day for like a few weeks, like a couple weeks now almost. Unlike C++ where you hardly see any source code online. I don't know if that's like, here's my problem with, like, I think it's gonna struggle the same on every language, because like it's only gonna be as good as you, I think, because you have to be able to fix the things that it breaks, and there are use cases where it's really strong, like in the sense of like you can have some boilerplate code that you've written 100 times, written really quickly, and then you just go and fix it. um but anything that you're doing that takes like deep focus and design work of like architecture, it's going to be harder until you're very good at it to be able to build with AI. That's why I think new developers shouldn't use AI at all, because we've all got to get out of our comfort zone and build things and learn how to like build this architecture up from nothing. And then once we know that, then it's like we can go and tell it like, okay, do this, and then fix this. Um, but I don't think it will ever take people's jobs that are truthfully good at programming. Which is why I think it's super important to get good at programming now. You can't really fake it anymore, in my opinion. How's your coding going, comical?
Good. Check this out.
Oh, that looks nice.
I changed the border, and every time you go up a floor, it tells you.
That's sick.
Um, it freezes right now after because it goes to the when condition, which I'm going to code right now.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Um, Sorry for that convoluted talk.
I think on the windscreen, I'm going to display all the stats, so I'm going to keep track of more things.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Maybe a timer or something. No, maybe not. But
That might be
that's a
fun.
fun idea. Get rid of state win function.
That should work. And then add move.
Message retracted. Did you delete that? Or is that like YouTube?
I think YouTube deleted it.
Huh.
I can't delete anything, unfortunately. Or, I mean, I can, I guess.
Does C do while? Yeah, I think that's actually where it came from.
Yeah, C does while loops.
No, do while.
Oh, do while. Like this right here? Yeah. Actually, I have a 4 do. Wow. Um,
I completely forgot to do whiles. I probably could have used that a couple times.
yeah.
Never crosses my mind to use them.
Dang, 5 likes on the stream. That's big.
I
Let's go.
added one.
Thanks, King.
My bad.
Gotta get YouTube to push it to more people. We're shadow banned, so we gotta really try.
You up, whereby you list what should be done first. After it's done, it looks at the conditions. Yes. Mm-hmm. That's what it is. Something like that. What do I want to do for this?
Do this. Oh. Oh. Um.
If you use return on void, it just gets you out of the function, and it doesn't actually return anything. I think it's just the keyword for it. Doesn't it? I mean, it compiles. All I know.
Wait. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Okay. And then here, wants to do new move dot name. And we want to this equal new move dot ID.
You guys making a game in pure C or using any sort of game engine? Nope, we are just using standard libraries and the terminal.
Yeah.
They're fun.
Get out of our comfort zone.
Yeah. I think it's maybe it's making us focus on like control flow and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Nice. Honestly, we've only been coding in C for a couple weeks. If you pick up the programming language book by the people who made the language, Brian W. Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie, that will tell you everything you need to know.
Yeah, I'm typing it in chat, the book.
I think that if you like take the time to actually like think about the exercises, you'll be comfortable enough to make what we're making. Like, no problem.
Yeah, that book. I'm not gonna say you could find it online, but you might be able to find allegedly something online.
That's public knowledge, I think.
Yeah.
We'll try that book today. Thanks. Yeah. Just look it up on Google. It'll come up as a PDF. Allegedly.
Yeah.
I don't think it's copyrighted anymore. I don't, because I don't know.
No, it's gotta be 100 years. We still got like 30 before it's not copyrighted. Oh, Jonas was C5.
He puts one more C every day. That's so funny. Has Jonas said anything else in chat? I think he just types in C. I think it's hilarious.
It's the greatest thing ever. You know, here's what I'll say about C. Komi and I are not anything special when it comes to like programming, and we were able to do it, so you can too. That's what I'll say. We just worked hard. That's all it takes.
The honest man's language.
The honest man's language. I like that.
OGUI. Oh, did the stream crash? Okay, no, it was loading.
Oh.
Okay, good.
I think the earlier streams are good.
Yeah.
Yep. We are lucky.
Too lucky. Hey, we have the streams. Just hang out. Hang out and code. Not even in a parasocial type of way. Oh man. We actually hear that a lot. It is hard to find people who are into the same stuff you are. It's done. And we have a Discord there too, and we're pretty active. We try to respond to most messages.
Yeah.
Yeah, I find it hard to socialize. The ones I got are all into Python and web dev. You know, I understand. That is, I mean, it's most popular, but that's because it's easy, you know? Easy to get into.
Hold on, I'm getting an invite link real quick and pinning it in chat so people can join.
Oh yeah, put it, edit the description. Make a new permanent one.
I don't know if I can edit it right now. I don't know if it lets you edit it live.
Why wouldn't it?
I'm gonna try in a second. We'll see. Where is server settings?
Fire never. Yeah, I'm making one. Generate new link. Copy. Here we go. I'll put it in chat for right now, and then I'll see if I can.
Let me copy this.
Edit.
Stream settings. Hold on, let me try this. Edits. Oh. Let's see if it works. Save. Did it update?
Refreshing.
Cool. And I'm gonna pin.
Yeah, it updated.
I'm
Nice.
gonna pin this comment. Pin message so people can join.
Very nice.
Okay. We got that. Perfect. You guys can join the Discord if you want.
Wait, wrong one.
What
I
did
made it for. I made it for wrong. Oops. Wrong Discord.
Oh, what one did you?
I did it for the one we're in.
Oh. Don't join that one.
Oops. Kick him from this one. Sorry. I don't have your host for the.
Yeah, I got him. Sorry.
Oops. Sorry, friends. Delete the invite link too. Just follow up on Discord. Yeah. Wrong
yeah,
one.
that's not the real Discord. Good catch.
Oh my goodness.
You have a new Discord?
Yeah, I'm making one right now.
Okay, I'm just gonna save that. Yeah, don't join that one.
I'll join that one. I know a little about it.
Yeah, we know something about Temple OS.
Okay, made it for the right one this time. Apologies. There we go.
Okay, hold on. Oh, jeez. Which crashed my PC today, couldn't do anything. Now I have to go repair it tomorrow. Feel that. We are a bit of a, you know, nerds. We know lore. Or ball. Ball's the better word. We know ball.
I don't know if you guys follow Blargus, but he's making some cool stuff. He dropped a cool video today. He's a Godot game developer.
I'm gonna pin this one.
There we go.
I use Arch. I want to use Arch so bad. Like, I really want to use Arch. I'm gonna, like, boof my laptop to use Arch. Because I want to learn it. I want to learn NeoVim. It's like the intrusive thoughts, you know?
I need like a machine to like learn Linux on. I feel I don't want to like have it on my main PC.
Yeah.
Because I need to do work on it. But eventually I'll buy like there's like a PC shop near me that sells ThinkPads for like $200. Might do that. I don't have some money. Kali is my main OS. Makes sense with what you were talking about earlier. Is father right? Yes. That's the right one. Apologies.
Hello. There. I said hello back. That's if you ever want to like talk to us, that's the best way to get our that's the best way to contact us. We don't do email, so
Yeah.
yeah.
Maybe when we drop a game, we'll make a HCG email.
Yeah.
Business email. Arab.js? What is that?
Oh. All right, guys. We're gonna compile my code. Let's see what happens.
What am I doing? I have forgotten. It's fun to have on the main PC. It's true. You live every day on the edge. Every single day.
Yeah. Right now, there's something wrong in here. Hold on. A value int. Oh, it's got to be
Email
this.
is shits.
Feel that.
I don't like it either. Probably don't have one. Well, the reason I check my email is to reset password. About it.
Oh, I don't have it in here. Move. Nine plus heirs.
System CLS, yes. Only gonna work on Windows, but for the main rendering, I am resetting the cursor and then rewriting over it. Because if I didn't do that, it flashed really bad. Also, I'm using VS Code, right? Is that not on? It's not on Linux, right? Clear on Linux, yeah. Trying to figure out what I want to do with enemies. I guess I can make them more of an entity. Right now, they just kind of generate as an object.
Get moved by ID. I'm special. Sometimes I am not smart. All right, let's compile and see what happens. Fatal error. main. Oh. I said. Okay. All right. Let's read them. If choice. Pointer and integer. Okay. And 95. Did I just not save this? I might have just not saved it. No.
Most frustrating part of C is the debugging and compiling. I guess I haven't had I use VS Code on Kali. Okay, I didn't know it was available on Linux. That's interesting. I haven't gotten to the point with
Implicit declaration.
where debugging and compiling is like a pain yet. The
pick move, get moved by ID.
The debug errors are pretty straightforward right now.
Hmm.
Did he study computer science in college or randomly decided to learn C? I'm in college right now. This is my second year. And JB.
I'm an art school dropout.
Yeah. I took an operating systems class and I thought it was pretty fun. I am trying to figure out what I want to do for combat or enemy entity. We'll go to college next year. I will take computer science. Very nice. Yeah, just keep doing projects that are outside of the curriculum and chilling.
Oh, is it because I forgot to save this? I might be the silliest person ever. Oh, nope. That didn't fix anything. I also forgot to save this one. What is this warning? I do not know what that means. Comparison between a pointer and an integer. If
You're also in your second year? That's cool. I took a couple gap years, so I don't know if you did, but I hope I also don't drop out someday. It's of no use here in Nigeria. From Nigeria, interesting.
Oh. I think I know what I did wrong. Over here. It is a room. I think. Yes, this needs to be choice ent. That's been a big bug in my program. It's still worked. Because the system's good, but I was comparing a oh, it worked. Hold on, JB. 100. We'll take a hot dog fighter. Yes! It works. Oh, I have that made me feel so much better. Oh.
I think the enemy is basically going to have the same functions as the player. Pretty funny.
Sick. I figured that out. Oh, that's a win, guys. I had to refactor my whole move system. Well, welcome to Handcraft Games. We International. Maybe one day I'll like actually like flesh this out into more than like just a bunch of random stuff. I think it'd be pretty fun actually with like some of the ideas I have to.
Yeah, I mean, it could be like your de-stressor, like, fun project.
No, I'm secretly gonna be working on a deck builder. We all know the truth. Godot, that's what's gonna happen. Okay, now all I need to do to add in oops, yeah, cool. Oh, yeah, I spilled the beans on that.
You make this game open source or paid?
Open
I mean,
source.
it's only a C project. Yeah, probably open source.
we are not solving this game.
We don't want to make anyone pay for this terminal game.
Yeah.
Maybe if it was 40 years ago, it'd be a paid game, but
it's just we're just making this for the love of the game.
Yeah, and to get better.
I mean, if you want to look at this code, go for it, but it's not great. Komi's is pretty good. Mine's not.
I gotta downplay your own work, man.
I'm not downplaying. I'm being so
A message for someone.
Oh. Sorry. For the enemies, what do I want to do?
You're back. I do is the restroom.
So what's with the Pokemon? Oh, okay. I see. But the Pokemon, right now in my head thinking about how I'm gonna store like attack patterns for like different moves that they use, because I kind of just want to have like that Slay the Spire feel where you kind of know what the attack pattern is. So once I get that implemented, I'll have the battle logic done at like the core concept, and then I'm going to implement move logic. Like there will be different moves that do different things. Which will be like that'll be a whole nother thing, but yeah, we got it compiled. Which is very cool.
Hello, I'm back.
Hello, Mr. Comical. Doing that in game state? Am I running the battle in here? No. Where am I running the battle? I don't even remember. In the Chudbud manager? Do you live stream once a week? We've been live streaming pretty consistently. I'd say we're on average about 4 to 6 times a week. We'll give ourselves that range. Yeah. We're pretty consistent. We've been pretty consistent about it.
Yeah. Last couple weeks.
No, it's right here, yeah. Okay. Let me move equal. Wait. Equal, let's just do enemy chud dot move ID 1. Sure.
Like a control stuffs. What do you mean by that?
Move. So I think what I need to do is store. Funny enough, no one would believe you only learned for 3 weeks. Yeah, but I think
I'm not C specifically.
Yeah, like we've been doing like we said, we've been doing game dev like really seriously like 6 months. But like on and off throughout like 3 years.
Yeah.
So like this isn't like the first game we've made. It's like this is like, I mean, we've made one other before this, but
yeah.
We also like basically eat, sleep, and breathe game dev. That's basically all the content we consume. We sit and call for 8 hours at least a day talking about game dev and programming. So, the control stuff. Oh, okay. I see. I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
I need a way to update every enemy if I'm in the same room.
Yeah.
So I need to check each enemy somehow.
I think I just have
So I
to
guess similar to the player.
store the attack pattern in the chudbud. I could probably do it like in the enemy chud. Wonder if I can obfuscate it out one and move it in the room, so it's the attack patterns stored in the room and not in the chudbud. I wonder. Are you, when I leave, are you gonna want to keep streaming?
Yeah.
Okay, I won't be able to turn it off for like an hour and a half, or like if like for some reason that's the only problem.
Hmm.
I wonder if you can click in stream from like a live stream.
Let's see. What would they even be under? Oh, I'd probably have to be in the handcraft games account.
Dang, we went up 5 subs today. Woo woo. It's big.
The control stuff, so I was referring to the Pokemon.
So then you did, yeah, we do like 3D stuff, 3D art. Oh, so no. I'm not gonna do that for Pokemon. Um, this is just a terminal game. Um, but we do like we do have, if you go look at we have a Valve level polish video that we did. That's the game we're working on right now. It's like a Portal inspired game. We do a lot of 3D stuff in there. This is just simple stuff. No 3D stuff in this. I can't. I'm not good enough at programming to do that.
3D models and see.
I saw a
All right.
video the other day where someone did the term 3D in the terminal, but so are you? Did you find out if you were able to end it?
What if I told you? I'm still looking it up.
Darn. All right, I'll remote you to my desktop. You got it. Well, I got some extra time today. I'm gonna do a switch.
Oh, yep, end stream right here.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, so I can do that. I had no idea.
If for some reason that something happens.
Yeah.
Okay. Switch. I need to do a switch statement, I think, here. Is game manager talking to room? No.
Okay.
Switch. We're gonna do a current state. It is wild how Terry
Oh.
Davis has been 3D on the source.
Oh, like his flight simulator? Yeah. That's magic.
Yeah. Do battle states. So switch battle state and then go through like this. How do we do this? After. Run reward state. What do I need to pass through in that one? Player. Perfect.
In the United States. Yes, we are both from the US.
I have a feeling I could do something. Here, I'm sending you something on Discord.
Okay.
I think if you put that into your...
What is that?
Your OBS, we can switch it to your feed.
Huh, I don't really have it set up.
Oh, because I think mine's gonna... As soon as my PC falls asleep, it's gonna...
Ah.
Yeah. So it might just be a... Call it.
That's fine. This enemy stuff is pretty intense anyway.
Yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please make sure to do so. We would appreciate it very much. If you haven't joined the Discord, please join the Discord. We do have to end, unfortunately.
Okay, it's good. We're ending because he's falling asleep.
So you guys have a great night.
Let me test out the end stream button.
Oh yeah.
All right, have a good night, guys.
See ya.